Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our BBD University account. So if you want to log into your BBD University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like. After opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for BBD University login. After searching for BBD University login, you'll come up to this page where you can tap on the first option which says BBD My Campus as authentication. So just tap on that first option. After tapping on that first option, now to log into your account, what you can do is just enter your email address and then enter your password. After entering your email address and password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. You can also sign into your account by using Google, so just tap on login with Google, and if you have linked your BBD University's account with your Google, you will automatically log into your account. So while trying to sign in, if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot password and then create a new one. After creating a new password, just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully log into your BBD University account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your BBD University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.